Nice old salmon. Not even kidding. Yeah, no, I swear to God. You snagged there, bud? He's got one. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
I barely got him in the side of the mouth.
That's a good one. Nice. Here, I'll give you some room. That's a good one.
Right on that, right by that tree.
Nice.
There we go.
One's chunky. Look at him. Hold him up.
Oh, dude, real. No.
Nah, it's fine. Look at that. That one's chunky. Look how fat he is. He's got nice colors on him too.
First cast right in that spot. I like just risk it. Right up there.
Dude.
That's a big pike for these holes.
I know.
Usually they're small guys.
That thing is super healthy. Dude. Nice. Now I better go grab my pole and catch one. Jesus. There's literally one just swiped at. I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh. So after losing my spoon and then tying on the little underspin, I think I'm gonna switch to spinnerbait, and it has double willow blades, which, correct me if I'm wrong, I think I got it right, but willow blades put off a lot more vibration, and the color's a little bit more natural, so I feel like they should hit it. I'm a little nervous to lose it because this is a really good spinnerbait, and it's actually pretty expensive because it's actually a good one. So, all right, here we go.
One behind it, see him?
I know. I'm just gonna swim back this way.
He's just sitting. You go for it, Oh, you wanna go try another bridge or what?
Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna try to get right in that pocket right there. Dude, that was perfect. Get up here. We were recording too, boys. Yeah.
Little slime. It's not rocket.
That's a nice, decent pike. I'll take it. I got right under that bush, or bush. Got right under the bridge, perfect cast, and he came up and smoked it on the old spinnerbait. I had a feeling it was gonna work because that one chased it up, so it's definitely worth it coming back here. Dude, let's go. Let's go. I like skin hooked him, so I must have.
I know, dude. That's how you missed him. Cause I see
Yeah.
him go down and I didn't see your spinnerbait. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, you missed him, and then You started cranking on him, and I'm like, oh, we got it again.
Yeah, look at line's like not even frayed. He got one. Oh, dude, that one's long. Ow. Another one. Another decent one. That first one, I don't know if we're ever gonna beat that. That thing was.
He's good. There you go. He was just sitting right in that shallow little pocket, kind of.
Really? You saw him or?
No.
Oh.
He came out of nowhere, but he was still pretty shallow.
I just got one.
Oh, another one. Oh, he's mad. Don't let him get into those logs. Oh, God. Full point test flip.
Got him. Let's go. That one's about the same size, just a little bit thicker.
Ow.
That's another one.
Another. These are kind of fat. Probably have some chubs in there. You good?